akkuma kanaan karaa World Bankiitti fuufnaa hin dhaabannu jechaadha.
Amma kagono alama laman mara akka ko megara jiran kan dudu bahira kadiyo tay baye bala ta karanu yungo indaye miidhagne qindoomne miidhagne akka deemutti alaabaa kana lamaan dudduubaan akka hiriiruu sidaafadha kabajaa.
Ya, nama kudang ini sarara tolchati fuulduratti gudubbatti dheeressa. Ya. Ila jarana alaabani lafa haramuun qabu lafa haraa deemuu qabu ulfinaafis jecha kanaafu ol qaba namoonni hojjaan keessan dheeraa taatanii gara fuuldura kana dura dhuftanii alaabaa kana tuqnuu qabdanii alaabaan lafa haramuun gadeedha gaarii miti ija gaarii ilaalamu. Master plan is cover up for land grab. Ethiopia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Free all Oromo, Amhara and other political prisoners. Free Bakale Garba. Free Bakale Garba. Free Iskandar Nagga. Obama, free Olbana. Obama, free Olbana. Stop detention. Dismissal of Oromo. And end Ethiopian students. US, stop using our tax dollars to support dictatorship. Amhara and Oromo protests are freedom projects. PPLF colonizers, it's about time to go home. Free all Ethiopian political prisoners. Free all Ethiopian political prisoners. We need justice. We need justice. When? Now. When? We march for peace. We march for justice. We march for peace. We march for justice. Free Oromo political prisoners. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. We support the Oromo struggle for peace and democracy. No stability,
Without equality, no stability. Without justice, we demand justice. When? We march for freedom, for justice. President Obama, keep your promise. No democracy, no aid money. No democracy, no aid money. We demand, we march for justice, for freedom. Ethiopia regime is a killer regime. It's a terrorist regime. It's a killer regime. US, stop supporting the terrorist regime, the killer regime in Ethiopia. The World Bank, IMF, stop supporting, financing the killer regime, terrorist regime in Ethiopia. The Ethiopia regime is a brutal regime. It's a terrorist regime. It's a killer regime. Oromo students, Oromo farmers, they march for justice, for freedom. We stand with Oromo farmers. We stand with Oromo students. We stand with Oromo farmers. Ethiopia regime, stop evicting Oromo farmers. Stop evicting Oromo farmers. We demand justice. When? We march for what? For justice. We demand justice. US President Obama, keep your promise. No democracy, no aid money. No democracy, no justice, no aid money. The World Bank, IMF, stop financing the killer regime, brutal regime, a terrorist regime in Ethiopia. We condemn the Russian massacre in Oromia. We demand justice. We demand freedom. We demand justice. When? We march for peace, for justice, for freedom. Oromo students, they march for justice, for freedom. US, stop supporting, financing the dictator regime, the brutal regime in Ethiopia. We demand justice, freedom. We demand, we march for justice. We march for justice. We demand justice. When? We demand justice. U.S. Stop financing with taxpayers' money. The brutal regime, the killer regime in Ethiopia. The Ethiopian government is massacring innocent civilians, Oromos, Amaras, and all the Ethiopian people. We demand justice. We demand justice. When? We demand, we march for justice, for equality, for freedom. We demand justice. U.S. Stop financing the killer regime in Ethiopia. The brutal regime in Ethiopia. The World Bank, IMF, stop funding terrorist
Oromo TV kalke show irratti darbaa
in Ethiopia.
jiru Facebook irra amma sarratti darbaa ni jalqaba kalke show
The terrorist regime, the minority regime in Ethiopia. We demand justice for all. We demand justice. We march for freedom, for equality. U.S.